Hi, we're here at Fig Linens and Home, and today we're going to go over the best tips and tricks towards how to go about buying bedding. The first step is understanding the size of bed you have, whether it be a twin, full, queen, or king. This is essential in determining how to lay out the bed, such as how many pillows will fit. For today, we will be using our full-size bed display right here in our store in Westport, Connecticut.
Here at Fig, we offer a wide variety of bedding brands such as Matouk, Sephora, John Robshaw, and more. It's important to research some of our brands in order to get a better idea of exactly what you're looking for. We love to mix and match our brands and especially patterns when designing a bed. After selecting your fitted and top sheet, you can go ahead and determine an important selection for the bed, the comforter or duvet cover. You can go the more neutral or more colorful route.
For today, we chose the Layla Indigo Coverlet by John Robshaw. It's important to choose a comforter that is correct for the right season. A coverlet is a great option for the summer. Next, we are adding king Euro shams in the back to give you an idea of a headboard placement when adding your pillows. We then paired the coverlet with 2 matching Euro shams. Something to note for king and queen size beds is that 3 Euro shams can fit as opposed to 2 on a full size and 1 on a twin. To spice things up, we have added an additional Euro in the middle that is a different pattern than the coverlet's matching shams.
Behind the Euro shams are your everyday sleeping pillows. Silk covers are a great choice to go with as they are a more luxury option that can help protect your skin and hair. Here are our many different options. It's important to research the type of materials to buy for your bedding that will ensure the best comfort and longevity. For example, there's a significant difference between pillowcases and a pillow sham. Pillowcases are for sleeping, whereas the shams are for a more decorative look. There are plenty of options to choose from, such as linen, cotton, or even bamboo.
For the finishing touches, you can add a quilt or blanket to the end of the bed. Here we chose Simone Linen Quilt in C by Matouk and added a matching boudoir pillow to tie it all together. Feel free to pop in our store, email, or browse through our website to get started on building your dream bedroom.